Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Liam and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. Okay, today we have an intermediate lesson for you, past perfect and past simple together. So, if you want to learn English grammar, stay tuned. Okay, like I said, past perfect and past simple. Let's begin. Form the past perfect by using had plus past participle. Let's talk about regular verbs first. Had played. Had plus past participle. Had watched. Had walked. Had talked. Had learned. You can also spell learnt. Learnt. Had learned is more common in North America. Had learnt, the second one, is more common in other English-speaking countries. So the first one, had learned, Canada, United States. Had learnt with a T, more common in Britain and other English-speaking countries. Let's talk about irregular verbs. Had come. Had been. Had gone. Had seen. Had written. Had read. Had eaten. Had chosen. Had driven. Affirmative sentences. Affirmative means positive. He'd or he had. He had seen the movie. She'd or she had been to Korea. I have read the book. Negative sentences. He hadn't. He had not seen the movie. She hadn't. She had not been to Korea. I haven't. I have not read the book. Questions. Had he seen the movie? Had she been to Korea? Had I read the book? Use the past perfect to talk about an event in the past that happened before another event in the past. So, two events in the past. Both events are in the past. But one event happened before another event. Both events are completed actions in the past. They are not happening now or in the future, and they are finished events in the past. The past perfect is sometimes called the past in the past. It's more in the past. I will show you some examples in one moment. Okay, have a look at the timeline. You can see past, present, and future. We are going to focus on the past. We have our first event in the past. We have our second event in the past. The first event happened before the second event. Event 1, Event 2. For Event 1, we use the past perfect. For Event 2, we use the past simple. Past perfect, past simple. It is common to use words like when, before, after, and because to talk about the relationship, the connection between two events in the past. Examples. He'd read the book before he saw the movie. Let's imagine there is a book and also a movie. It's the same title. He'd read the book before he saw the movie. What does this look like? Let's look at a timeline. First, he had read the book after he saw the movie. He had read the book, he saw the movie. The past perfect event is always more in the past. So the first event is more in the past. Always use the past perfect for the event that is more in the past. He'd read the book before he saw the movie. You can also say he saw the movie after he'd read the book. It's the same meaning, but we have to change the word before to after. More examples. When she'd made enough money, she went to Korea. So first she made money, then she went to Korea. You don't want to go on a holiday with no money. First she had made enough money, then she went to Korea. She went to Korea when she'd made enough money. When she'd made enough money, she went to Korea. It's the same meaning because we use when. Make sure if you use when at the beginning of the sentence, you use a comma before the second clause. If you use when in the middle of the sentence, you do not need a comma. He missed the train because he'd been late. Why did he miss the train? Because he had been late. He had been late. He missed the train. He missed the train because he'd been late. Because he'd been late, comma, he missed the train. I filmed this video after I'd created the Google Slides to show you. I didn't film the video with no slides. That would not be smart. First, I had created the slides. After, I filmed the video. You remembered to like this video after you'd watched it, right? So, please give me a like for this video. I would appreciate it. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. It really helps my small channel grow and reach new English speakers all over the world. I would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. If you have any questions for me, please write them in the comments section. I will answer them. Any questions about English? Okay, my name is Liam, and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.